To see what happens to a leaf that falls to the ground, let's find a leaf and zoom in on it. The upper epidermis, stomata, or some leaf hairs of the leaf surface could be observed on the 50 times image. Over time, the volume of the leaves decreased significantly. And many black spots gradually appeared on the surface. After 20 hours aging, the shrinkage of the leaf was not obvious, but there were still some changes. Let's look at a higher magnification image. The hairs on the leaves were conspicuous. It shows 600 microns in length and 50 microns in diameter. As the leaf shrunk, the water slowly evaporates and flowed through the leaf hairs, which could be clearly observed. This is a capillary phenomenon due to the relatively low humidity in the air. It could be seen that the image moved quickly due to the severe shrinkage of the leaves. At the same time, the black spots on the surface of leaves observed under low magnification might be the bottoms of leaf hairs, which were more obvious and no longer emerald green. The white spots on the leaf surface were still unrecognizable at this magnification, but it almost disappeared when the aging time was greater than 20 hours. After leaving the stems for 24 hours, no moisture could be seen on the leaves, which means they had totally dried up. Compared to humans, the life of a leaf is short and uncontrollable. This video is over. Thank you for your watching.